A is for apple. A is for adventure. Meet Arrow the alligator.
B is for balloon. B is for bounce. This is Bunny Bella. C is for candy. C is for create. Captain Cat is here. D is for drum. D is for dance. Ducky Dan loves music. E is for egg. E is for explore. Hello, Ellie. F is for fish. F is for fly. Foxy Finn is fun. G is for grapes. G is for giggle. H is for hat. H is for hop.
I is for ice cream. I is for imagine.
J is for juice. J is for jump.
K से काइट और वह सबका दोस्त है.
L is for lamp. L is for laugh.
M is for mango. M is for music. N is for nest. N is for nice. O is for orange. O is for open. P is for pizza. P is for play. Q is for queen. Q is for quick. R is for rocket. R is for run. S is for sun. S is for swim.
T is for train. T is for twirl.
उमा ऊपर उड़ती है. U से अम्ब्रेला और बादलों में जाती है.
V is for van. V is for visit.
वॉली पानी में खेलता है. W से वाटर और लहरें बनाता है. ये है एक्स-रे फॉक्स. X से एक्सरे और मस्ती करता है. यक खेलता है. Y से यो-यो और सबको हंसाता है. ज़ेन तेज दौड़ता है. Z से जू और सब खुश हो जाते हैं.